Francine, look what you did to my favorite shirt. Ayan o, may stain. Don't you know how much this costs? This is a Dolce & Gabbana. Mas mahal pa sa'yo to.
Pasensya na po, senyorita. Lalabhan ko na lang po ulit.
You better. Kasi ikaw, you're so tamad and stupid. Simple stain lang, hindi mo pa matanggal.
Mahirap po kasi alisin ng mansya ng alak eh.
Aba, at sumasagot ka pa. Kailangan ko yan mamaya. I better have that.
Opo, senyorita.
Cuz, rise and shine. Get ready for school. I'm sure excited ka ngayon para pumasok sa school, lalo na't may General Assembly ang Drama Guild.
Ayokong pumasok sa school, Paige.
Bakit? I know how much you love that Drama Guild. You created it and you're the president.
Well, Paige, kinakabahan ako pumasok eh. At saka, wala na akong kaibigan. Lahat, trinador na ako.
That's not true. Tsaka nandun naman yung boyfriend mo eh.
Iniiwasan ko rin nga si Miguel eh. Feeling ko, galit siya sa akin dahil anak ako ng labandera.
He's not mad at you. I'll tell you what, sasamahan na lang kita. I'll be there for you when you need me. But you have to promise me that you'll stay strong.
Okay, Paige, I promise.